Hi, my name is Kelvin Yap. I'm one of the race driver for Rennplatz racing team.
My name is David Kang. I race for Rennplatz.
Ada Suzuki Swift yang dipandu daripada tim Rennplatz Racing 109 Kelvin Yap dan juga dengan David Kang. Lagi tempat yang ke-11 semua dalam kategori. Sedikit, kereta nombor 335 Boysoh yang berkaitan dengan Jason Tan dari tim pasar JDM X-Trackers Racing.
Preparation is pretty good. The crews woke up till 2 AM last night preparing the car to ensure that we are going to have a smooth race today.
Our team did a good job. We had good pace today. We qualified midfield, so we will see how it goes tonight.
Dapat adalah Lee Kamsut dari nombor 863 tim Foster.
Someone spun off there at the bottom left.
Turn 4. Looks like a Swift. Flat sudah pun dikibarkan.
The race was one hell of an experience for me as my first stint. I have my very good driver who started at early pace. We was at top 10, and then we suffer a clutch issue. So come back, we do, then we fall back to 16, and then I fight back to 7, and then I have a brake fit, went into gravel, But I think all that was a nice experience for me. I love it, man. Keep racing, bro. Wow.
As I said this morning, I was very confident with my second driver. Qualified 11, we chased up to 8th position, and unfortunately we had a gearbox issue. Came in, we dropped to 16. We didn't lose our hope. We chased up to number 10, passed it to David, my second driver. He chased up to number 7. Unfortunately, the last 7 laps, the car went out of control. We crashed, but no serious issue. We dropped back to 16, but most important of all, we finished the race. I'd also like to take this opportunity to thank our sponsors, Rennplatz, Motorol, Samsung AVS Solution, AGI, Direct Insurance Broker, for supporting us in this way. Without them, I don't think this will happen.